Hello amazing viewers, welcome back to my channel. Discover the trick of making woolen flower as I reveal the secret behind creating stunning design with a hair comb. In this mesmerizing tutorial, I will guide you step by step through the process. As you saw, I counted out 10 teeth from the comb and wrapped the first color of wool there for 6 lines. Then I counted out 8 teeth from the comb and wrapped the second color of wool 4 times. Now, pass 2 strands of wool right at the middle of the comb. Use that to tie and secure the design. At this point, pull the design out from the comb, then sew to create round shape. Make the pieces 6 and join them together. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Attach a medium-sized bead at the center to make the flower flawless. Attach small beads in between the pieces. I know you will find the tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching.